All right, so now till the time we have seen this whatever the routing or nested routing we have seen, that is by using the like a tags, right? We have used this browser router tag, then route tag, and then a routes tag. Inside that one we have the route or like a nested tags. So that all we have seen by using the tags. Okay, and these all the tags like from the like a what we call that React router DOM. Okay, but if you don't want to use from the like a JSX tag kind of thing, or if you want to like from create the function and that you want to use inside that one kind of thing, so that is also possible. Okay, so let me do one thing. What we will do, we will see the another way to write the routes. Okay, so how? Okay, so now let's see the constant. Let's create a one constant. Let's give the name as a like a router. Okay, and then router, let's give the like a constant router equal to, there is one function called as a create browser router. Okay, create browser router. Okay, this is nothing but the similar to this one, create router tag. Okay, so this is nothing but the create browser router. Okay, which accepts the array of route object. Okay, so here we have to pass the path. Okay, whatever the path we want, let's say, let me give the one blank path. Okay, and whatever the element we want to render for this one, let's say for that one I want a landing page, right? All right, so this is the landing page I want to display for this one. Okay, now till this one let me comment this one. Okay, so I have commented everything. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to, if you are using this function or like a constant create browser router function, that time you have to add the one tag, that is the router provider. Router provider. Okay, and here we have to provide the attribute called as a router, and you have to pass the variable name whatever we have given for the create browser router. Okay, so what I did, I have created the one function. Okay, I have created the one variable with the help of this create browser router, and which accepts the array of the routes. Okay, so as of now I have given the only one, that is the landing path. Okay, landing page. Okay, and here inside this return or this like a app body. Okay, I have created the one, I have added the one tag, that is nothing but the router provider, and inside that one we have to provide the attribute router. Okay, now let's check on the UI how it is working. So as of now only slash, right? Awesome. So this is landing page we are getting with the help of this one. Okay, as of now we have not added this one contact or home or this one. Let's try to add that one. Now what I want the others component need to be the child of this one, right? So there is a one tag called as a children. Okay, children is nothing but the again array of route. Again it's like a same one. Again we have to give the path. What is the path we want? The first one is the like a slash by default, and that is nothing but the home component. It's the same. Okay, whatever the we have used by using the tag, just a difference, like instead of declaring inside the JSX like in the UI component, we are creating the one function and creating this array of the route. That's it. Let me copy this three times. Okay, 3. Okay, slash home. Again for slash home I want home component only, then contacts, right, contact only, contact, we will display the contact. Okay, and the last one is nothing but the about us. You can see whatever we are doing, it's a similar one, like it's the same one only. Okay, just a way of writing is the different. Okay, all right, now let's check on the UI how it is behaving. So for landing page, I am getting this is landing page, this is home. Let me click on home. Perfect, this is home. Contact us, about us, awesome. So the way we have created by using these tags, okay, we did using this array. Okay, and here we have only added the one tag called as a router provider. So in this way also you can create your own routes and nested route also. So thank you. You are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.